Okay, just finished a quick little walk around the block. Beautiful morning. Got to feed the squirrel a peanut who was taking advantage of the bird feeder another resident leaves for the birds with a handy ledge so it can hang out and just munch all day on the food that I think is intended for the birdies and not the squirrel, but anyway. I do like feeding the squirrels. Raspy voice. Anyway, here's breakfast. Re-steamed rice. It's Cahokia long grain with some short grain. The last of our Cahokia until we order more. And I have a teaspoon or so, 2 teaspoons of sunflower seeds and maybe a teaspoon each or just shy of ground pumpkin and black sesame. Scallions on top. We've got collards and baby bok choy that I just steamed at the same time, all in the same pot, one pot meal. Very easy to do. You can go get ready, walk around the block, while your rice reheats, just in a stainless steel bowl like this one in a steamer pot. Anyway, this has shoyu and flax oil on it. Natto that also has some shoyu on it. So it's a savory breakfast. There's alkalyzing greens which balance the rice and help it taste so delicious, along with the natto, which is really a superfood I've discussed in previous videos. So that's breakfast.